The next short video is about adding files to a project. When you create a file and it's still empty, you will see the Add Files button here in the middle field. This is one option. By the way, you can also use this little plus icon here in the toolbar. After clicking the Add Files button, here you can add your files from your already connected clouds. It's possible to add the whole folder by clicking here, or your selected ones by clicking here, or here, or here, and then please push Add Selected Files here. If you want to add files from your local drive, please use the Astodi desktop app. Here in the Astodi desktop app, there is no other way for adding files, but simply drag and drop. I will show you. This is easy like this. Drag and drop. And please don't forget that you can manage all of your cloud-based files too here in the Astodi desktop app. Astodi, be organized, be efficient.